Today I will explain expansion valve. 7 type expansion valve are used in refrigeration and air conditioning and coolings towers. Main purpose of the expansion valve is control the amount of refrigeration flow into evaporator, and second purpose is maintain the pressure difference between condenser and evaporator. Means condenser pressure is very low and evaporator pressure is very high, then the difference between pressure of condenser and pressure of evaporator is maintained. Automatic expansion valve. The component of automatic expansion valve is adjacent screw, evaporator line, condenser line, spring, diaphragm, strainer, needed valve, seat valve. In automatic expansion valve, automatic expansion valve is a fully automated. When pressure is increases, then evaporator load is increases, and pressure load of and pressure is decreases when evaporator load is decreases. Adjacent screw are connected to the springs, then springs and spring are connected to the diaphragm, and diaphragm is connected to the needle valve. There are mainly two conditions. When evaporator pressure is decreases, evaporator pressure, some amount pressure is here, then evaporator pressure is decreases when diaphragm is downward direction, when in downward direction, when they increase the flow of refrigerant. And second condition, when evaporator pressure is increases, when evaporator pressure is increases, then diaphragm is moving a upward direction, when reduce the flow of refrigerant. Diaphragm in upward direction, where spring loaded side, and downward direction is evaporator loaded side. The main use are suitable for constant flow or constantly flow to the evaporator, and second is constant evaporator temperature in all time. Means constant, the temperature of the evaporator is constantly required, then automatic expansion valve is used. Thank you for watching.